Hey, what's up? This is Alex. Today I'm going to show you how I did these mini twists. And I don't even think they're super mini relative to other people. So if this is something you're interested in learning how to do for yourself, definitely keep watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video in advance, helps other people find the video, lets YouTube know to show everybody this video because it's good content. So please like it. Thank you so much. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go. Basically, so what I'm going to do is create a part down the middle to start out, just because I tend to like to wear my twist. If I wear a mini twist, I like to have a part in the middle of my head. So that's what I'm going to do now. And I'm just trying to be a little careful because my scalp is pretty sensitive right now because I had my hair in cornrows underneath the wig for about a week and a half, 2 weeks. So my scalp is like, girl, you should have washed my hair. So yeah, so this week I'm gonna try to do another protective style because I don't feel like wearing a wash and go. I wanna switch it up. So I am going to try to mini twist my hair. But as you can see, if you like take care of your hair, don't put too many crazy products in it. Even after wearing box braid or wearing cornrows for 2 weeks, my hair is still very curly. So one thing I did is obviously I washed my hair. So I shampooed, conditioned, and then I put in this Uncle Funky's Daughter Good Hair Conditioning Styling Cream. Looks like this. What I'm gonna do now, because this is probably gonna take a while, I'm gonna focus on the front of my head because I have some meetings tomorrow morning and at least the front of my head will be done in case I have to do it tomorrow. So my hair is still wet. I put in some of this styling cream. What that does is help condition my hair before I put the gel in. I like to keep the same product line when I do something like this. So I'm using the Curly Magic from Uncle Funky's and I'm using the curl cream from them as well. So what I'll do is just quickly make a part like about halfway through my head, so that way, like in theory, my mini twist will naturally want to go that way as well. And what I'll do now is just quickly make the first row. And I've done mini twists before, I just haven't done them this small. So we will see how this goes. Either way, when I did them a little bigger, like more of a medium size, they looked really cute. They're just not as flexible and they're not as curly. So what you'll be able to see is like my scalp was very dry. So I shouldn't really even be putting a comb to it. I think that's not good, but what I'm doing is creating a part. And what this will do is, this will be my first row of mini twists. And then to help retain some moisture along the process, I'm just gonna put my beanie cap back on. So kind of try to keep my ends a little more moisturized or hydrated during this process. Okay, so now that that hair is separated, you can either just use your fingers to kind of separate where you want to place your twist, because in theory your twists these aren't box braids, so they don't have to be perfect as far as what the parts look like. Just because I'm not the best at like taking even sections, I'm just going to use a comb and haphazardly separate my hair. So once I do that, remember this hair already has curl cream on. I'm going to take a little bit of gel. This was too much. And I'm just gonna put that on my hair. I'm actually gonna add it to here too. Then what I'll do is I'm just going to twist my hair onto each other. Try to keep the parts that you select as even as possible, so that way your twist is less likely to unravel. If your hair does not curl on its own, this style can definitely still be done. It just might look a little different because your twist itself is not going to want to curl onto itself. And then I'm just twirling the end of the twist. And that's it. And just again, I'm literally just placing one piece of hair over the other. That's it. And you want it tight so that way the curl does not separate as easily. When you're using foam, your hair is not going to separate as much, but for some reason this like aloe based gel kind of separates, so it is great. Hey, this is Editing Alex. I'm gonna speed up this clip and kind of just show you guys what the final look looks like. You get the picture. Throughout the whole process, I'm just taking small sections, trying to keep them as even as possible so that way the twists are about the same size across my entire head. I'm focusing on twirling the ends to make sure I get that curly end look that I'm going for, so that way it looks like, hey, is she wearing her natural hair out, or those twists? If you're just looking at the ends, the goal is for the look to kind of have that curly end look, like a fro. So yeah, just continue this entire process across my entire head. This definitely took me about 3 hours to do, so it definitely takes a while. The bigger you do your twist, the faster you can get it done. And I will come back with the final look. So throughout the twisting process, I try to keep the hair I'm not working on underneath the shower cap. That just helps retain moisture on my ends. I said that in the earlier part of the video, but I'm just gonna reiterate that. And then throughout the process, I also noticed I wanted my twist a little thicker than I did in the front. So some of those I redid just to make them a little thicker, but you'll get the picture here. In this one, you can see this is roughly the size twist that I decided to do. It's in the medium range. My hair is so thick and it's a couple different lengths due to my curly cut. So I felt like this is the right size twist for my hair. So feel free to try a couple different twist sizes, see what works for you, see what's helping your hair curl the most. I like that spring twist look where the curl itself is a little bouncy, so smaller curls tend to work a little better for me. But if your hair is more straight, feel free to use a thicker size. You'll get a nice uniform look if you make a bigger twist. All right, this is the final look. Sorry my camera died earlier. It was really late last night. This is the next morning. I sat underneath the hooded dryer for about 10 minutes and then I went to sleep. My hair was still wet, so I have a headache this morning. But I used my Dyson diffuser to dry any of the rest of the hair I needed to this morning. And I just scrunched it up with the diffuser like this. And if you have shorter length hair, I wouldn't recommend scrunching your hair with the diffuser. It just makes your hair look shorter if that's not what you're going for. And then if you want, you can even grab the piece and add a little tension to make it look longer. Which I might do, but I haven't done that yet. That's actually a good idea. This hairstyle versus how, like I said in the beginning of the video, you can literally do whatever you want with it. Have it up, down, sideways, up in a ponytail. Basically any way you would do your natural hair besides a very slick back bun, you can do it with this hair. So it's so great for that and it lasts a long time. It does not get frizzy. The Uncle Funky's products are amazing for our hair. It really keeps your hair hydrated throughout the process. And then you also have a 2-in-1 style. So like once you take these twists out, it also becomes a twist out. So then you can wear a twist out for however many days you want to. I may or may not do that. I will let you guys know. I'll record another video if I do end up wearing it as a twist out so you can see what these mini twists look like. But definitely, if you like this video, if you like the hairstyle, if you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. I can do another video where I show you how I style this hair. Just let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.